Danilo scares a bear. Danilo was a young boy. His parents were animal specialists. They would often travel to different countries to study the animals there. Sometimes Danilo used to accompany them. One day, his parents were asked to study about the life of grizzly bears. Danilo went with them on the trip. They spent 2 weeks in the jungle and observed the grizzly bears. One day, Danilo was feeling tired, so his parents left him in the camp. While Danilo was resting, he heard some screams. He went out and saw that a grizzly bear was attacking a girl. The girl did not know what to do. Danilo had been observing the bears for quite a few days, and he knew how to scare away a grizzly bear. He ran in front of the bear and raised his arms high. He started shouting loudly. His behavior scared away the bear and saved the girl. Viola is very brave. Viola loved to spend time with her grandmother. One day, her grandmother took her to a farm. Both of them had a lot of fun. On the way back, the tire burst and their car crashed into a pole. Viola hurt her arm badly. She did not know it, but it was actually a fracture. She was going to tell her grandmother when she realized that the accident had given her grandmother a concussion. Viola knew that her grandmother should not be moved. She made her comfortable in the back seat and set out for help. But now it was dark. Viola had to walk for 5 miles on the dark and lonely road before she got help. However, Viola was very brave and knew that her grandmother's life depended on timely medical help. Despite the throbbing pain in her arm, she did not stop until she found help for her grandmother. A patriotic speech. Akhilesh was the son of a freedom fighter. He studied in a school in the year 1942. One day, a competition was held to decide the best speaker. The topic was the benefits of British rule. Akhilesh did not agree to this topic, but he wanted to speak on the stage. On the day of the competition, the British governor was invited as judge. Akhilesh gave a speech in which he spoke frankly that he felt there was no benefit from the British rule. The teachers were shocked to hear his speech, and so was the governor. Midway through his speech, he was pulled off the stage. However, Akhilesh did not go quietly. He kept on shouting his speech. Even when the principal threatened him to be silent, he did not stop. Akhilesh was not afraid of anyone or anything, as he knew he was speaking the truth. Ramu attacks the kidnappers. Ramu used to work at the landlord's house. His job was to take care of the landlord's youngest son, Ajay. Ajay was a very active child, and Ramu was always on his toes to take care of him. One day, while playing on the riverside, Ajay ran far ahead of Ramu. Suddenly, a car stopped and a man got down to grab Ajay. He picked up Ajay and threw him in the car. Ramu ran behind them. They were already in the car by the time Ramu reached them. He jumped onto the car and hung on until they slowed down. They wanted to shake him off, but he jumped into the car through the window and started hitting them. He grabbed hold of Ajay and jumped out of the moving car. They hid in a ditch until the kidnappers left in disappointment.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.